Hello, so I'm going to show you how to add this clip angle or double clip angle connection to that beam and the gusset at the same time, right? Um, First, I'm going to turn off these members because we don't model the connection elements using members. We use operations, okay? So I'm going to turn off those. I review the other operations you have, they're okay, they are perfect, right? So in this case, we're going to use the clip angle operation and then assign it to member B, okay? So I saw that you selected the 4x4x3/8. So you have it here. So I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to select this as welded, okay? Later, I'm going to add the bolts on this beam. I know that this should be bolted and probably this also should be bolted, right? So later I'm going to add those bolts. For now, I'm going to keep it as welded and just turn off the weld on the beam element, not the column. So let me go back to this one here. Double plug weld for the member. Sorry, no weld for the member. It's too long wire. Okay. Now with this operation, the beam is losing the openings that you created before, so no worries, we're going to use it, but I'm going to just turn it off for now. Okay. Um, so with this clip angle operation, it helps me to put double angles here, right? So we have them exactly where we need it. And then we can use this clip angle length. So I'm going to use 18 inches for that. And then I'm going to shift it. I'm going to use a negative value because this is related to this beam member. And you can adjust it using this input here. Oops, -6, something like that. All right. So again, we're going to reuse your openings that you created before. But remember that the order of operations matter. So after setting up this, we can copy them, right? So we set up the clip angle operation. Now the only thing that we're missing are the grid operations, right? So let me go ahead and add a grid operation here. All right. Then set it up from beam first. So this will pass three blades. I'm going to select the beam web first, and then later this two clip angles plates. So this is clip B, clip 1B, so that's a member plate, and then clip B here. So now you can see that it's passing through these three elements. Okay. So now if we look at the transparent mode, we can see the position. Oops. 2 is fine there. But the rows will be minus 1.5, so that is from the center line, so it's putting upwards. So I'm going to put it at positive value, so it's here downwards. And then I add 3 inches. That will be negative. All right. So actually, I'm going to use 1 and -3. Okay, so we have that. Now we can use the same approach for the bolts here from the gusset plate and the clip angle. So I'm copying that operation. Now, instead of the beam web, this will be the SP2. But in this case, I'm going to select first the clip angle Okay, let's put it at 1 and 1 so this is not confusing. Okay, so you can see it's here. It's related to the clip angle distance or starting point. So that will be clip angle. Then the second is going to be a plate. So we pick this P2 and then clip B. Just selecting the 3 plates there, right? Now we use 2 inches here. So it's in the rows, so it's at the same location, right? And then we use 12 inches. Okay, and then we say -3, and then -3. Okay, so again, you can use these operations to adjust the dimensions. And then finally, I'm going to copy these 2 operations at the end. And I'm going to activate them here. I think we don't need that huge opening. So 4, and then for the opening 8, we can also use 4 here. Right? Okay, let me know if this helps. Okay, thank you. Bye.